What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danique, and you'll definitely want to subscribe because we get lit over here, period. So I was gonna make not the light. So I was gonna make this a vlog. Okay, the bonnet, we're used to it now. Okay, whatever. So anyways, I was gonna make this a vlog, but I thought I'd do a day in the life of an Onlyfans girl because I did one before, and I forget when I did it. Let me see if I can find it actually. 10 months ago was the last time I did it. So we're gonna do another one because times change. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I did my first one 10 months ago, and we're just gonna do another one because times change and pretty much same shit, but you know, I just want to do an updated one because why not? So yeah, today, obviously, if you do OnlyFans, not every day is a content day. Literally, it might be 1 or 2 days out of the week. Because if you film enough content, honestly, it can. Some girls I know that film content and literally only film once a month and they have enough for that whole month, or like film twice a month and they have enough. Because you could literally like do several outfit changes, just film a whole bunch in one day, so you don't have to like even worry about it for like the next couple weeks to a month. So you can do that. I used to do that, but I have been slacking, to be honest with you. I do post a lot on my OnlyFans still, but I'm saying like as far as getting a lot of content in like one day, I have not been doing, but I'm trying to get back into that so I won't have to worry about like shooting content like every week. Like I want to at least be able to do enough for like 2 weeks I don't have to worry about for a while. So I'm trying to get back into doing that, but we'll see. Either way you have it, every day if you're OnlyFans girl, it's not gonna be a content day, but today's a content day for me, so I decided to film a day in the life of OnlyFans girl. So it's 9:30 in the morning actually. I'm about to make breakfast. I have to see what I have as far as breakfast food, but that's what I'm about to do first. Then I am literally waiting on like 7 lingerie sets right now in the mail and nothing has came yet. I think like 7 to 10 lingerie outfits I just ordered. I ordered some from Torrid, and then I also ordered like a few like little ones from Shein because I don't really wear Shein lingerie anymore that often. I try not to. Some of it's good quality, but a lot of it like end up throwing it away. But my like lingerie I get from Torrid, like it's good quality and I could keep that stuff for like a long time. So I try to get out of using Shein lingerie, but I did order a few pieces just because I thought they were cute and I was on there shopping for clothes. So I ordered them. So I'm waiting for like 3 sets from there, and I think I ordered like 5 to 7 from Torrid and nothing has came yet. So what I did was, Torrid has like some lingerie in store, so I ordered an in-store pickup for today for like it's a lingerie set, but it's like I forget what they're called. I don't even want to say it because I'm gonna say it wrong, but it's like a dress, but it's lingerie. So I ordered that just so I could take pictures and for like to promote my OnlyFans like on Twitter, because that's what I do. Yeah, I have a video about it, go watch it. But so I did that. I did in-store pickup, so hopefully they have it in stock and it's gonna be picking up later, because if not, then this video is gonna be done though, because I don't have, I mean I have lingerie, like old lingerie sets, but I always like to take pictures of new stuff, even if it's been a long time, because y'all know I have a lot of lingerie. Even if it's been a long time, I still like to take pictures and new stuff, so I'm always buying new lingerie. But I feel like it's worth it because I make the money back, so to me it's worth it. So I just wanted to order something new and cute to wear, so hopefully that's ready. So I'm gonna eat breakfast, and by the time I eat breakfast, it's 9:30. I know Torrid opens at 10. It's like one thing, so I don't think it's gonna take them that long to like say it's ready for pickup. So I'm figuring by the time I cook and eat breakfast and get dressed and head down there, it should be done. So that's what we're about to do, eat breakfast and then go do that, and then come home and start our content day. So yeah, let's go see what we have for breakfast because I'm hungry. So this is what I made for breakfast. I was gonna make eggs, but I don't like scrambled eggs. I usually just eat fried eggs, but I ain't feel like making it. So this is my breakfast. Hey guys, so it's like almost 12. I got a notification. Let me see. Yeah, I got a notification at 11:20 saying my items are ready for pickup. So I'm about to leave right now. Go grab that. Towards like 30 minutes away from me. So I'm gonna be like, I ain't gonna be long because I'm just going there and then I'm gonna go. I have one more stop to make and then I'm coming right back home. So I'm gonna be like a little over an hour. Then I'm just gonna come back and start getting ready for this shoot. I think I'm gonna do an actual shoot. Well, not natural, but like not do like a bunch of makeup. But I don't know. Or do I want to do a lot? I don't know. We'll see when I get back. Yeah, but that's what I'm about to go do. No, see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from Tort. I'm gonna go pick up the dress. Honestly, it's been hours. It's hours later. It's 4:15 right now. I got back home like 1:30, 2 o'clock. So I literally just been chilling. I was on the phone with my sister, just chilling. Like that's the luxury, you know, of being an Onlyfans girl, because literally you don't have to, you know, work days. You could chill because it's not much work, honestly. So, you know, I feel like this is like a realistic day because, you know, I didn't come home and go straight to work. I was chilling. So I did go get the dress. It's called a chemise. I think they're called a chemise, if that's how you pronounce it. They're like little night dresses, but like lingerie. I don't really know what they are, but like, I know it's a dress. But some of them are like sexier than others. This one's like, it's kind of see-through, but I feel like once I put it on, it's not gonna be that see-through. Obviously, you can't really tell right now, but once I put it on, I'll show y'all. I decided to do simple makeup. I'm about to do my hair and makeup now. I think I'm just gonna do eyebrows and concealer and gloss. Yeah, pretty sure. Then I'm gonna do my hair. And yeah, I'm about to go do that. And I'll show y'all when I get done. And I'll show y'all how I like set up to film and everything. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get done getting dressed and stuff. Okay, so I did my hair and my little bit of makeup. Ignore my edges. I know they're white. I put too much edge control on. But I want to hop on here real quick. I just want to say something really quick because I've been getting a lot of messages from girls, specifically like on my Instagram, which I'm surprised because normally like my Twitter's like my most how do I say it? My Twitter's like my most followed account, so I would be expecting people to reach out to me on Twitter. But I've been getting a lot of requested messages on my Instagram lately, and I have like hundreds of requested messages. So if you're messaging me on Instagram and I'm not following you back, chances are I'm not gonna see it. I'm not ignoring you, I'm just not gonna see it. So I'm sorry, but I do go through my messages sometimes, and I have seen a lot of girls. I've even had girls email me asking me to be like their OnlyFans mentor, and realistically I just can't do that. Like, and even I get girls asking me for help and stuff. They say that they watch my videos and they just want to reach out for help, and it's like, that's kind of why I made the videos, to help you guys. So there's not really much I can do. Like, unless you have like a specific question, that's what the videos are for. So it's like, I don't know what else to offer y'all. That's what I made the videos for. Like, they ask me for more tips, or they ask me to be their mentor. That's the point of the videos. So there's not really much more I can help y'all with. Like, all the things that I know about OnlyFans and that I do for OnlyFans, I have made videos about them already. So anything you're gonna ask me, you probably can find on my videos. A lot of girls say they watch all my videos, so I'm not sure what else they would. I don't know, they just ask for more tips, and I'm kind of confused by that because I give all my tips. I gave all my tips. I don't know what more I can give y'all. Unless, like I said, there's like a specific question you have and I might be able to answer it. Like, I'm not a professional at OnlyFans. I'm not. I just tell y'all what I know already. That's working for me. And if it doesn't work for you, I really don't know what to tell you. I really don't. Only thing I can say, I will say that's an absolute fact. Twitter is the best place to promote your OnlyFans, and you can be successful on Twitter with getting like a large following quick if you put in the work. So a lot of girls say like Twitter doesn't work for them, but that's because you're not putting in the work. I'm telling you, my main account has like 150K right now, but I started a second account probably not even a year ago, and it already has 13,000 I think followers, and I started that from zero. My main account I had since high school, and I'm 26, but that account I started from zero not even a year ago, and it already has 13K. Like, if you put in the work, it's gonna be successful. So anybody that tells me like Twitter's not working for them, I just feel like y'all haven't really put an effort to get it to work for you. And I have a video on how to get followers on Twitter. I'm pretty sure I have a video like that, and how to promote on Twitter too. So like I said, these videos that's what the OnlyFans videos is for, to help y'all. So I can't really do much more for y'all. So I'm sorry, I'm not ignoring y'all either. I just literally don't see. The ones I do see, I do respond to. A lot of them I just don't see. And also when someone emails me, I don't respond. I'm not gonna lie, because that's like my personal email, and I need to I'm not gonna go back to every video and take it out of the description. So it's like, that's for like businesses like to hit me up if they want to do like if they want me like to promote something for them or something like that. It's not necessarily for OnlyFans. And I got rid of my OnlyFans email, but you know, people, I don't know. But yeah, if you do have a specific question though, I will answer it if I know the answer to it. But I'm not doing mentoring, and if you ask me like for more tips, there's not really much else I can give you. But like I said, specific questions, feel free to DM me. Like, if I see it, I will respond and help you if I can. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. But let's go get to let's get into me. It's, what time is it? It's 6 o'clock, and I'm just now about to start taking pictures. Yeah. Okay, so today I've decided to film in my spare room, which I rarely ever come in. It's like an echo because there's stuff in here. It's a mess. I'll show y'all. Like, I have like my backdrop stand, ring light. This is like for when I do hauls and stuff. Random pillows, literally a mess in here. But I wanted to do it in this room because I have like all the walls are empty because I don't use this room. So I wanted to film on I wanted to shoot on a blank wall, so I'm gonna use this wall. And today, y'all, I'm just taking pictures to promote my OnlyFans. I'm not taking pictures or videos to actually post on my OnlyFans. Most times I do both of those in like a day, like the same day. But this lingerie set just isn't like sexy enough to do that. So I'm just taking pictures to promote my OnlyFans on my Twitter today. So for pictures, this lighting in this room is like kind of weird because it's like this ceiling. I don't know. Can you see it? The ceiling fan. For the most part, when I do pictures, I try to take them during the day because I use the natural lighting and my phone. I don't take pictures on my camera. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, I believe. I just use my phone and my stand, this stand. I believe this is like 4 feet tall, but I am sitting on an ottoman right now that if it's not tall enough, I'm just gonna prop it up on my ottoman so it could be taller, just so I can get different angles for pictures. And I do not use my ring light for lighting for pictures, unless, I really don't ever, honestly. Even if it's dark, just your flash on your camera, the back, you have to use your back camera. If you use your front camera, you're not gonna get good quality pictures. But just your flash is sufficient for like really good quality pictures. You don't necessarily need a ring light unless you're taking like, you want like that studio look for your pictures, like studio professional pictures. But like, honestly, just the flash gives you really good quality. Like, if you go on my Twitter, you can see my pictures are always good quality. So I just use my back camera and I use my flash. And for I used to use a clicker and just click it, have the clicker in my hand, but there's a really good app that you can use that continuously takes pictures and it uploads right to your camera roll. So I'm gonna show y'all that app. It's called Lens Buddy, if y'all can see that. That's the app I use. And I'm only, you know, they ain't paying me, but I'm only showing y'all because I'm trying to give y'all the real tea. Really, let me show y'all. I have mine set up so it takes 25 pictures, and it takes a picture every 2 seconds. And you can set the flash on here and stuff, but it uploads right to your camera roll. So it's a really good app, and you just take a continuous amount of pictures. So I do that, and it's 6:13. I'll probably be taking pictures for like an hour. But I just want to show you my little setup and how I take pictures. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm done taking pictures. It's like 8 o'clock. I've been done for a while. I was just like going through my pictures and deleting the ones I didn't like. I'm not done yet, but I was just starting to do that process because it took a lot. It took me like an hour, hour and a half. I'm starving. I've not ate since the breakfast I cooked earlier. So I'm about to go get some Chick-fil-A, my favorite. And then I'm just gonna watch Netflix, sip some wine, and chill out for the rest of the day. So I'm in this vlog here. This is a very realistic day in the life of an OnlyFans girl. Pretty chill. Honestly, it's like most days. I don't really be doing shit anyways. So yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys next video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Also, let me know what other like OnlyFans content y'all want to see from me, as far as like, I don't know, like I said, I feel like I answered all y'all questions, but let me know if y'all want to see more OnlyFans videos or more day in the life of OnlyFans girl videos, because not every day is the same. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.